Good morning, class. As yesterday we have started with the explanation of third chapter from English literature, that is Magic Letter. Now today we are going to continue with the explanation of that. As yesterday I have explained you that Vikram and Jiaz were two best friends, and one lives in Jiaz lives in Haryana and Vikram lives in Andhra Pradesh. They were two different cities. They lived in two different cities, but they were best friends and they loved each other very much. And Jiaz, they used to celebrate each and every festivals, birthdays together only. And there was a festival of Eid, and Vikram sent different types of puzzle for Jiaz. But at that day, Vikram sent a piece of paper in which there was something written. But when Ijaz takes it to his army and burns and take it close to that flame, then he sees that there was something written over there. Then he used to we have read that till there, that when he takes that paper, folds that paper and takes that paper to his army near to the flame. We have read the story till here. Now today we are going to continue with the explanation of chapter 3 from page number 18 only. So open to page number 18 in your book and let us begin with the explanation further. Now today we are going to continue with chapter 3 only. We are going to continue from the left chapter which we have left yesterday. Now today we are going to continue with that chapter with the explanation of that chapter. This explanation will be continued from page number 18. We have done the explanation till here. I don't want to eat biryani. When Jiaz said to his mother that he don't want to eat biryani because he just want to read the letter which Vikram has sent to him and read that letter. Now again, let us continue with the explanation of chapter. Ammi helps him light a candle. Ammi just helps him to light a candle with a flame from the stove. Ammi helps him to light a candle with the flames from a stove. Light a flame means light a candle. Jiaz takes the paper close to the candle. Jiaz just takes that paper close to the candle. If you hold the paper too close to the flame, it will burn. Ammi said, when you will take the paper, if we take the paper close to that fire, that paper will burn. Ammi warns him. Ammi said this to Jiaz. He holds the paper at a safe distance from the candle. He just holds that paper close to the candle, but he holds the paper like this that the paper won't burn, and taps his foot impatiently and just taps his foot, eagerly waiting to know something which will be happening soon. That what is going soon to happen. He was waiting impatiently for that. What will happen? A few moments later, brown lines appear on that paper. And when he was holding the paper close to the fire, after few minutes, that in that paper, the brown lines appear on that paper as a magic. Now move to page number 19. Wow! Look at these words. Ammi shouted Jiaz. Ammi said, wow, it's wow. Just look at these words. Ammi shouts to Jiaz, where we play with marble. And in that paper, it was written, where we play with marbles. Ammi reads the word out aloud along with Jiaz. Ammi also read those words along with Jiaz. She is confused by the message. Ammi was confused by this message. where we play with the marbles. But Giaz jumps with excitement. But Giaz just jumped out with excitement, that he was very excited after getting those words. I know where to go, shout Giaz. Giaz have got the words and he knows where he have to move now. He runs down to flight of stairs. He just runs off the stairs past a parking area, just and past a parking area, and stops in front of a bench, and just stops in front of a bench. But there's nothing there, and he could not see anything there also. Ijaz is sad, and after that Ijaz got sad. He was sure that there would be another clue waiting for him. Ijaz was sure about that there might be some another clue waiting for him there also. He turns around and gasps. He turns around. He just moved around and got a big surprise. Vikram, what are you doing here? And Giaz in excitement shouted, Vikram, what are you doing over here? I just can't believe his eyes. After seeing Vikram over there, I just don't believe in his eyes, whether his eyes are looking the Vikram only or not. Whether it's Vikram, Ijaz's eyes can't believe his eyes. This is the best surprise ever. This is the best surprise which I have ever got. Ijaz said that no one have given such a big surprise. Can't you guess? Says Vikram. Vikram says that can't you guess that I will be over here? Beaming. Smiling broadly, he said, can't you guess that I will be over here? I came because I was missing Ammi's biryani. Vikram said that I came over here because I was missing Ammi's biryani. Vikram said that he was missing Ammi's biryani so much, so he came over here. I just laughs and hugs him. I just laughed out and goes and hugs him tightly. Do you think Vikram was really missing Ammi's biryani? I don't think so. This question is correct because Vikram was missing Ijaz, and maybe he might be missing biryani too. And at that exact moment, Ammi calls out Ijaz and says, and exactly at that moment, Ammi just shouted away that Ijaz biryani is ready. And when Vikram says to Ijaz that he came over here because he was missing Ammi's biryani so much, and at the same moment when Vikram have said these words to Ijaz, at that same moment Ammi calls out that comes over here, your biryani is ready. Now, as we have completed our chapter over here, edited by the magic letter, Akib Jalli. Did you know biryani is a very delicious rice dish? It has been popular among people for centuries. Different places in India have their own style of making biryani. Hyderabadi, Lucknow, Awadhi, Kolkata, Kanchi and Chittagong are the most famous varieties. Here we have been given where we have different states cook different types of biryanis. Now here we complete with the explanation of this chapter. Homework for you all is to just read this chapter thoroughly. If you have any doubts regarding this chapter, you can ask me. Thank you.